Hey guys, Shane here with Take 10 with Shane and Michelle, and I am at the Polynesian. So I'm going to do a quick room review for you guys. We just got here and got moved in, so I thought I would do a quick room review. So we have a nice sliding barn door here for the bathroom area, and let's go on in here. So this is a nice, very large bathroom. I'm this is really nice. Little towel holders there, swimming suits. Okay, we just have a standard shower, but we do have a nice tub. Our products, of course. This is a nice lit shower. Looks like, let's see here, if we have drawers. Yeah. Got a couple of drawers underneath the sink. You got your shelf above the mirror, which is really nice. Trash can in here. But again, I'm just really, this is a really nice, big Polynesian bathroom. So cute little bird pictures. All right, to the left when you walk in, we have got our nice big closet with all the necessities. Hey, I even saw a guy doing laundry here today. I gave him the thumbs up, great job. He said he thought it was relaxing doing laundry. I'm sure he's probably one in a million of the men who thinks doing laundry is relaxing. Anyhow, so we have some your extra pillow and blankets and everything is in here. You're safe. Some hangers. I don't know who uses an iron in here. Well, I guess I do know who uses an iron, but anyhow. Okay, so this is nice. Okay, so you have the bathroom with a mirror and a location, and then you have this one. So two folks could be getting ready at one time, and we have our nice mirror here that we like to use or don't like to use. Let's see if these are open drawers too. All right, yep, those are some nice drawers. And then, ooh, now, so they have two showers, one in the bath. All right. I love the stone. I have that in my shower now. It is very clean. I can tell you, very clean smelling. I do like the seat. So that is actually very nice of you, an older person, and need that. Just to hop in sometimes and take a seat and shave your legs or whatever. So that's really nice, and it has a shower above the top. So, all right, and then directly across is the little kitchenette area. Again, I will remove the coffee pot and everything and put underneath so we can have more space. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, so it's not real silverware, it is plasticware. And let's see, can I touch the top one? I can't. So there's just another little shelf above the top, your coffee. And we do have a nice little refrigerator. And let's see, yep, the trash is underneath. So, okay, I do have a little space for the coffee and stuff back there. So, all right, so that's nice. So again, we do have carpet in here, but we do have the nice space underneath the bed, which I love. We have the lights by the bed. Let's see here, okay, the drawer. I don't see any plug-in situation for your phone. Oh, you know what? This is the one. This has got the nice, oh, cute Lilo is in there. So this has got the nice big extra bed too. Schaefer Party, that is us. Oh, these seats are really nice. Nice and big cushy seats. Cute little light there. And of course, we have our Mickey there. All right, pretty mirror. And then we have, let's see here. There's our light on this side. Nice drawer. And then this folds out into a bed. I wonder if this comes up. Let's see. Oh, nope. Okay, so this is just storage. This is just a big bench for storage. And then let's check the patio quickly. Ooh, I get some pretty flowers out there. Ooh, there's bees out there too. So we do have a nice sized patio. Let me see if I can get out. Oh, I got out. All right, so we have these nice cushy chairs right here. It is nicely shaded, which is nice. There's the walkway over to the main building over there. So these are nice size rooms. I I rather enjoy these. The last time we were here, we were on the first floor. This time we're on the third floor. So this one can definitely sleep 5. So I think that is a quick wrap on the Polynesian room review. So take 10, everybody. Subscribe, like, comment, and make all your moments magical in Florida and beyond. Bye.